So do you know you can create a simple land page for your business, for your simple online business? So this is the website, and you just enter your email for registration. All right, so enter your email, then get started for free. Make sure you enter your business email. Anyway, for tutorial sake, so I'm using this email. It's come. We are going to create an account. You can either create an account with your iCloud, Facebook, or sign in with Google. So I'm just going to proceed with my email. Then the next thing to do is that password, a password, simple password you remember always. Then once it's done, make sure you check box, review the password to see if they are similar. Continue. So you can save your password to your Google. Then now the next thing to do is that you are going to choose varieties of template available for your business. All right, so you are going to choose whether one, your business is within which category. Are you using car, design, animal? So I'm going to select multi-level marketing business. Then the next thing to do is that to make sure, you see, since it's landing pages, it's basically about adding link that when someone tap on the selected category, it will direct the person to your DM. Good. So the next thing to do is that you see these are the varieties of landing pages available. All right, I can choose to use this, or I can choose any one you prefer. Make sure you choose according to your preferences and the one to suit what you like. Now I want to choose this. I want to choose this specific fabric. Then the next thing to do is that you are going to add blocks. Blocks are simply the categories available or the options or services available on the page that people can be directed. Okay, so you're just going to tap here to add a new block. Then tap here, then you tap on this icon, then you add block. So what is the type of block you are going to add? Is it a message, social network, media, and a text? Is it going to be a media and a text? What specifically is that? Image or pricing plan, price list, a, just a page, a digital product? Okay, so I want it to be just a link. Okay, it's just a link, so I'm just going to enter the link. So the next thing to do is that make sure you go to this website. Okay, so you open another tab. Okay, open another tab and come to war.link. War.link. To create a custom link for your page. So this is going to be create a free WhatsApp link. Tap on the first one, then it will direct you to where you enter your number and the message. So let's assume the message I want to add is social media boosting. Okay, so this in this case, create a free WhatsApp link, add your number. I'm going to add my number, my WhatsApp number. Then the message you want to add, hello, please, I'm interested in the social media social media boosting course. Okay, then you just add any simple details. Maybe let me say I want to bold it. No, sorry, I want to bold it. Then generate my link. When I generate my link, then you copy the link. So you scroll down and copy the link. Then you now go to the tab you created. Oh, where is the tab? Good. So here's the tab we opened. Oh, these people. So let's sign in again. Let's sign in, and it's basically going to be my password. email and password. I think this is my details. Then I sign in. Let's start again. So I chose this. Then I'm going to add block. Then we go to link, a simple link. So it is basically going to be like the headline of the link. Maybe learn social media growth. Then subtitle maybe works perfectly for all phones. Okay. Then the action. What will the action do? Should it direct the person to your website, or it should direct the person to call you, to send you a message, to save your contact? What is the specific action? All right. So this one, I want it to direct the person to the website. So I'm going to add the website where that is done. Okay. So HTTPS hypertext. Then I add my website. Okay, so the next thing to do is that you are going to save changes. So save changes. I can still add another block, which will be just a text or media in a text. I don't add any media in a text. So you just need to think what you want to add. Okay, what you want to add. So the next thing I want to add is a digital product. Okay, but this one, it is for those who are using it for business plan and they need to upgrade. So you need to go back. It's not everything you can add, specifically the ones with some small icons, pro and base. Make sure you don't venture them. Okay, so the next thing I want to add is a custom block or a text. Okay, so let me just add a media and a text. This one includes an image and a text. Okay, so for me, I won't add any media and a text. I want to say I want to add another block, and that block should be maybe messaging apps. Okay, then what is that messaging app? You add WhatsApp. Then the headline, maybe the headline should be um the headline should be all digital courses available. Then you enter your WhatsApp number. Then I am interested in the course. Then you just save the changes. So that one will be another block. Okay, that one will be another block. Then the next thing to do is that you can just come to add another block. You can add multiple blocks, add social networks. So this, for this place, you are going to add your account. Okay, so I need to go back and copy my YouTube and other accounts, which will be a waste of time. So I'm not going to add any social network for now. So I'll just go back, then make sure I come to add block. Then what will be the next thing is, it could be a video, but you need to upgrade before. It could be a custom block or a mere text. So this one I want to add another link again, and this time around you understand that you can edit everything. You have design here, settings, color, anything you want to do. Okay, section, add-on, statistics, and everything you need to know. So you can just customize the color of the headline, the subtitle color, and any other thing you want to be the outcome of the website. Okay, so this one, what do you want it to do? It should open a website, it should send you an SMS, send a mail, or what specifically do you want the action to do? So website, then over here I'm going to paste the website I copied, the word.link I copied, I just paste it. Then the headline is, let's say, graphic designing course. Subtitle, easy for passive income. All right, then just add save changes. So when you are done with everything, now you can customize your name page, my profile. This is where you're going to save your profile. So you are going to get a new profile. Okay, you're going to get a new profile or edit your previous profile. So this is the basic one. This is the basic one. So this is the profile, transfer profile. But you can also get help center. Okay, you tap on this small button like lollipop, then you can see simple video lessons they have customized. So when you are done with everything, you can see account settings and so many things. So over here you can customize the appearance of your theme. You can add your social network like your Facebook account. You can add so many other things, which when you get access to this platform, it is basically going to be simple for you. Now check this new landing page website out and let me get your feedback in the comment section. This is Max Blueprint. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Everything, make sure you have changed the profile or the profile description. Okay, so let's say this is the profile description I want to use. Hi, no, welcome to Maxi Digitals. Your online productivity is a top priority and hallmark. Something simple, Jesus. So just edit it. Then you can change the font size, you can change the text size, anything at all. Okay, you can just edit them to suit your preferences. And let me, it should be end. So let's assume I want to change the text color to it is possible. Okay, the text color I want to use violet, I want to use gold, anything at all I want to use. You can also customize the color. Okay, and this is the alignment, this is the font size, the font. Then after changing the color, make sure you tap on apply and it's going to change the color, the text, the bold, italic, strike through, anything at all you want to use. Okay, so this is something good. Then when you are done, just tap on the save changes. You can see settings here. Custom, what do you want to do with your profile? Okay, for you can add a background image, but it's available for pro users. Okay, you can add link to the back to the profile too as well, but for tutorial sake I'm not going to do anything for now. And you can also add your avatar. You can upload your own avatar or any other thing you want, maybe your business logo or anything related to your business. Okay, so once you are done, you can now say your landing page is now perfect and ready for output. When you tap on the eye icon, you should have a preview of what you have created. So this is it. Okay, welcome to Maxi Digitals, your online social media growth digital courses. Then sign up, blah blah blah, all this. So make sure you change the descriptions here. Okay, all these are what are something you must make sure you edit them. Okay, so let's go back to edit session. You can just edit them, anything over here. You need to get time and edit all this, and they are editable. So assuming after here you just tap on this portion, then you are going to change the WhatsApp contact, the contact available. So I'm going to make it my number instead. Okay, let me make it international format, plus 233 then save the changes. So it will reflect here. This is a link which you can change. Okay, so maybe you have a website, you can just add the website here, the website you are promoting here. Then sign up. No, there's no need. If you want to add image, just add it. So as you are scrolling through, then you are editing it. These are links. Okay, make sure you add your Facebook link here. So I'm going to delete all this. I don't actually use Facebook for now. Okay, let them remain. So why choose us? Then let's, in case you are advertising your brand, you see, you can just edit everything. Why choose Maxi Boost? Then you add your business name. Why choose Maxi Digitals? Then you add your business name. When you are done, you just save it. So graphic designing course, all these are editable. Okay, want to earn extra income by recommending, so want to earn extra income high by recommending high productive, you see I'm dealing with digital goods. Okay, high productive and affordable digital products. Okay, digital products, save changes. These are links that you can edit, so I won't get time to edit all this because I don't want the video to be long. When you are done, you make sure, you see, since this is a free plan you are using, understand that they are basically going to add their demo here so that anybody interested in this can also use their website, and the full catalog too, you can add it and add the various catalogs. If in case there's a link, then you just generate it. So this is the platform I recommend for lead generation. It is working perfectly.